What's going on, YouTube? Oh, I'm so excited to be out. Beautiful day, beautiful bike. We are going to a meet. We're gonna be doing something different. I'm still gonna be posting regular videos, everything like that, vlogging, you know how it goes. But we're gonna start a series up. I'm going to be racing as many leader bikes as I can. I want to compare some of these older bikes to the newer bikes. I've never seen it done before. I think it'd be awesome to see, awesome content to create. So today, episode 1, we're going to be meeting up with a Gen 2 S1000. We're going to mob down about 20-25 minutes to a meet. There's going to be a bunch of supercars there, supposedly. But that's like our meeting spot. And then we're going to get to the race. We're going to do comparisons, everything like that. But yeah, I mean, if you guys want to see more content like this, just let me know. I'm super excited to make stuff like this, though. Yeah, every time we do or we go to a meet, it's always like we drive about an hour away. So this one's not crazy far from us, thankfully. I need to tighten my boots up a little bit. Alright, we were topping off on some gas. Yeah, the Kawasaki pulls up and he wants to go to the meet with us, so we're mobbing down with a ZH something. I don't remember the name of it exactly. Not too familiar with naked bikes. I think you caught the light. We'll go somewhat slow to wait for them. Oh yeah, dude, my brakes sound so crisp. There it is. Yeah. Not sure where my girlfriend's at. I'm hoping the meet didn't end. I mean, there's a Corvette, nothing crazy. There's a nicer. Oh, that's a nice Evo. You got a BMW down there, Audi right there. I'm not seeing any supercars unless they already took off. Alright, I just gotta find a parking spot. hope there's something. Ooh. We'll go around the front. I want to park next to the GTR. My chopped ass brakes. Oh yeah, it looks like the GTR peeled. Porsches are dipping. I was scared I left you.
That thing's pretty fast, dude.
Oh. It's wide body GTR. Oh, it's just clean as hell. All right, you ready? Yeah. Sweet. All right. We met up with the Gen 2. I'm not exactly sure which year his is. Could only imagine it's a 14 if I remember correctly. Modification wise, he's got the full system shorty. He has a tune, intake, you know, air filter, all that other snazzy shit. So yeah, we're basically running pretty similar mods. We're gonna hit a highway over here real fast. We're just gonna scout, make sure there's no cops, no bullshit like that. So yeah, this race basically just comes down to mainly rider mod, I feel like. Out the door Gen 2s. I don't know exactly how much they're making. I'll throw that up on screen with like statistics versus the Gen 3 out the door. Once again, I have no idea how much mine is making with all the mods on it. I don't know how much his is making with all the mods on it. We're both stock motor, which is good. Should we just do it here? first run. Yeah. I want to do best out of 3, to be honest. But we have to wait for these cars to, you know, get out of the way. But yeah, I mean, you can see the difference, hopefully. Back. I really hope that wasn't dog shit GoPro footage, because my mount was starting to fall off. So yeah, my mount was starting to fall off of my helmet. So I was like grabbing the GoPro pretty much, and I was like tilting the entire thing. So gladly it didn't just fall off all over the road and just explode. That would have sucked really bad. But yeah, we're gonna mob back. And we're just gonna, yeah, we're gonna mob back, just something light. We also saw a couple UHP pass by, so we don't want to be pushing our luck, especially with State Patrol. It was good runs. I talked to him just because I was fixing my GoPro mount, so we both pulled over. Yeah, he said I had about a bike and a half on him, both runs. The only difference me and him really have is the gens of our bikes, and then I'm on a Akrapovic system. He's on some other system, I forgot what it was, but I've never heard of it. Sedan was a cop. And there he goes. That was some good runs today, honestly, I'm gonna be honest. We only got 2 pulls in, but I mean, you guys can kind of see the difference. But yeah, I mean, concluding back to the beginning of the episode, we're going to be doing like a whole series of these. I would like to. I'm still going to be posting regular content, so the episodes are going to be more drawn out, if that makes sense. So it's not going to be like back-to-back episode 1, 2, 3, etc. You know what I mean? Because it takes time to find these bikes, to line it up. But yeah, I mean, it's going to be a good series. If you guys want to see more of it, I mean, drop it in the comments. I go over every single comment. I'll reply to as many as I can. Oh man, Chick-fil-A's right there. But yeah, I mean, I appreciate all of you guys being able to motivate me to get out here and keep grinding, keep doing this YouTube stuff, and I love it, honestly. I mean, once again, I appreciate every single one of you guys sticking around, supporting the channel. But we're gonna try to bang out some more of these episodes, like I was saying earlier. With that being said, though, I appreciate every single one of you guys out there that support me, support the channel, all the social medias. That being said, thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.